Okay, so this is our new shifter stock design on the right-hand side of the column, reachable by the driver. Major functions are drive direction, which is achieved by rotating the collar, drive, neutral, and reverse. Also have the ability for the driver to request a downshift or an upshift, just by a pull or push of the paddle. And then the engine braking function is also integrated on this Z-axis. So you have 4 positions: off, low, medium, and high. And then lastly, on the end of the lever, a button to switch between driving modes. We start off with the economy driving mode. A short press puts you into performance, and a long press puts you into manual mode. So what we're driving right now is this economy program, wide open throttle. And this truck is pretty representative of a standard fleet truck. So we're loaded up just below 80,000 pounds. DT12 engine, 455, 1550 foot-pounds. Detroit 12-speed transmission. And then Detroit axle setup with a 2:5:3 ratio. And we've also got these Michelin super single tires on here and with the whole Cascadia Evolution aerodynamic package.
The ECOS function?
So the ECOS function is, it activates when the driver lets off the accelerator pedal. So there's no demand for the engine to make torque. And we have a slight downgrade on the road. The transmission will release the gear, shift the neutral, and idle the engine at its normal idle speed while you're coasting down the road. And then any stimulus from the driver, such as applying the accelerator pedal or the brake pedal, request for the engine retarder, will come right back out and go back into gear.
The engine retarder.
Okay. So if we're coming to an off-ramp where traffic is slowing down and we want to slow the vehicle down, the shifter stock has 3 positions of engine braking to allow the driver to ask for deceleration. So applying them slowly, low, medium, and high, gets you kind of increased levels of braking. And in a more dynamic situation, if the driver is to really quickly grip the lever down to the maximum position, we automatically downshift the transmission, put the engine at its peak braking power level. So while we're here at the traffic light, I have my foot on the foundation brakes, and as I release my foot off the foundation brakes, you get some clutch closure, and the truck has a tendency to creep forward. And as soon as you get back on the brakes, the clutch would open back up. Or if you transition onto the accelerator pedal, we just continue closing and ramp up the engine torque. So that function is kind of always keeping the driveline nice and tight on the truck. So when you go to launch the vehicle, there's no abrupt transition of power through the driveline. So we minimize the shake of the cabin and kind of give the driver a more comfortable launch.
That kind of mimic a constant torque condition?
Yeah, it's designed to mimic the torque application of an automatic transmission.